Whoa, hey, what's up, guys? Good rising. Put on the scarf so I'm looking at least modest. Shut the door too, because I talk loud. Oh, yes, feeling good. I need to make it so that people can just join automatically instead of requesting. But hey, it's all good. Let's see here. I'm feeling great. Life's good. A lot of cool things flowing. Today I'll mention some of them. Of course, I'll go over charts. But yeah, like I said, I want to mention a bit of everything else that's going on. Let's start with talking about things that are going on. First and foremost, if you guys have heard me, a lot of you, if not all of you, have heard me talk about Token of Me. There might be a couple of you that haven't heard about it. And check it out, check the website out. It's tokenofme.io. And also Token of Me, there's an Instagram. My best friend Susan, she runs that Instagram, and she's also the founder. She holds all the patents to this, what we're doing. And I'm really, really grateful to be a founder as well, considered a founder. So Token of Me is, we're measuring flow state. Okay, that's a simple way to put it. We have a device that will know when you're in your highest resonant state. What does that mean? Well, think of anything that you ever done where you've gotten into flow. And all you simply have to do is, with our device, go out, have fun, whatever gets you into flow. Trading, great. Surfing, skydiving, listening to music, painting, meditating, right? There's so many different things that can get us into flow. And what we are going to do is we'll be able to recognize that with your biofeedback. And I'll explain some of the things we're measuring. And it will initially, you'll be able to mint an NFT with your flow. But later on, what this is going to become, we're creating a whole metaverse. Yes, I said that right. Meadowverse, not metaverse, meadowverse. Like a grassy meadow, flowers and beauty. Creating a metaverse where you will be able to, your NFTs will be represented. There's going to be a whole market, buy, sell, trade them. You're going to literally earn. We're going to have tokens, flow tokens. You will earn just by getting into flow. How cool is that? So what we're measuring is the light given off of your skin. Super dope. When you have goosebumps, your skin gives off light. Yes, a lot more than other times. So yes, we can measure when you're having goosebumps. We can measure when we measure the heart rate variability, so space between your heart rate. A lot of other people are doing that, and the strength of the beats. We also measure the electricity that your skin gives off, resistivity, conductivity. There's like 30 different things that we're measuring. So I'm really excited because there's some big news happening. There's been a lot of momentum that has been gained in the recent weeks. So by November, we're going to have a working application for anyone that has an Apple Watch or a Fitbit. I used to have one. I'm going to order one again. And you'll be able to literally mint NFTs with an Apple Watch through your flow state. So it doesn't have all the sensors that we need to really pin it down, but it has a lot. And so that's how we're going to start, so that we can build a community, make it available for everyone. And then as we build the metaverse, we'll be able to, or we're later going to release our signature flow sensor. So in time, but that app will be available by November. We have to have it available by November 27th, the latest. So it's coming soon. I'm really excited. I'm going to announce that live on Instagram soon. Yeah, we're rolling. So that's one thing that's got my attention. It's got my excitement. And I think it's going to make everyone better traders. Imagine, as a trader, you just know when you should be trading or when you shouldn't, based off of if you're in flow or not. And noticing, oh, hey, I'm in flow, let me trade. Oh, after a little while of trading, dang, I made a decision, or I had a bad trade or whatever, something happened that got me out of my flow. You're going to know, so then you can just know when to walk away. So I'm really excited about that. Power to the floors. Okay, I'm gonna go into charts now. I drew this trade. I'm actually in this trade last week, which I'm gonna announce to the signal again, because I think it's still a potential good trade. I announced, I didn't say that I was getting in the trade, but I said that the weekly comp was starting to look good. And yeah, I'm gonna just reply to them right now. Oh, I don't want to forward it. So it's British pound buys. And I guess I erased the trade. But my target, let's go here. So first and foremost, I want to start on the high time frames because the weekly is what looks the best. The weekly here, just perfect balance off the moving average. We'll see how high it goes. We did resist off of the top band last time. So, you know, last over here when we closed above the Bollinger Band, the top Bollinger Band, we came down and retested, but we couldn't close above it this time. So a little weary about how high we could actually go, but I'm good. I'm in the trade. So I made my initial trade, like I said, looking at the weekly, but daily chart also looked good. Let me see my actual entry on this. I'm up pretty decent. My actual entry is 164,580. So let me draw this out. Long position 164,580. Bing. Okay, that's my entry right there. Stop loss below the lows, but look at this daily, how beautiful this is. Come up, close outside of the top bands, close outside of the top bands, come down, kind of close outside the bottom, but we did reverse, close outside of the top again. And then we got close to testing the bottom Bollinger Band here, but we didn't close outside. And then here as well, we didn't close outside. So just noticing that momentum, and it's looking good. We have some strong bullish price action, higher lows, and we're now above the moving average. See if we've got any 4-hour. Yeah, I got 4-hour closes. And then target, let's go back out to the weekly. Target's way up here. Boom. And that's because we can see, we just draw it as a solid line, make it easier. I was coaching, of course. This solid line here is kind of my target because we can see that we hit resistance, resistance, support, resistance. And we could go back as well, support, resistance. All right, feeling good. The only other place that we could go is somewhere that we've already gone. So right there, boom. Because you can see support here, you can see it messes a little bit here, support here. What else we got? Support here, support here. So that is the line that we just hit resistance off of. And look at, we came up, hit it, boom, push down. We came up, hit it again, not pushed down nearly as strong. So that tells me that this resistance level isn't as strong as it seems to be, back here. So my anticipation is that we break that because we've already tested it twice. So why would it hold? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm in this trade, waiting on it, see how it rolls, see what happens. Let's see if we can find anything else today. Now, my trading style, just because I am putting my energy into other things, I'm gonna just more so stick to heavy swing trading. So long time frames, daily, weekly, potentially monthly. I drew this green box, British pound, Japanese yen, or I'm sorry, US dollar, Japanese yen, anticipating that we're going to come down here. I don't believe we're going to come down there anymore. And if we do, not anytime soon. Look at that weekly close, real strong, just bullish as heck, bro and sis. So yeah, I got this wedge that I drew. I thought down here we were going to break down, and I thought it was over. But no, Japan just keeps wrecking their own currency. So I don't like to buy even though we're in an uptrend, I don't like to buy when it's like parabolic like this. When we get a retest, that's my anticipation. But on top of that, whatever goes up must come down. And we're looking at history. We've only been this high at least one of the time, and the all-time high is up here from 1998, 147 yen for $1. So my anticipation is, maybe we'll go all the way up to there, but we got to retest sometime, and we'll be able to catch an amazing sell. So yeah, we wait. So moving on, let's see here. We got Euro USD in a downtrend very clearly. We've gone down pretty far. We just broke a level that I drew for support / resistance. So because we've broken it, I'm going to go in a little closer and check it out. We just closed last week's candle. It is a hammer. However, we've come down, and it seems that we're retesting a bit. Let's see what the daily looks like. Perfect. Retesting this level beautifully. Not going to get in the trade. Of course not right now. Got to wait for a candle to close. If there's action on the 4-hour, there's a chance. What I like is see how we came down, and then we came up a little bit. So I had this little upward movement with this one candle, and then we came down again, and we're testing the beginning of this downward movement right here. And we're already seeing some resistance. The price is being pushed down a bit. You see that? It also is the same level as that resistance level that I drew out. So let's go to the 4-hour here. 4-hour looking decent. We got 11 minutes till close. So that looks good. That's a reversal candle. Not that I would enter, same thing. But maybe one continuation candle after that, or even watching down on the 1-hour. If the 1-hour starts to break below the moving average here, then I would say we could start to look for a sell. Yeah, that'd be pretty good with this chart, because weekly, daily, these are all potential. This is a potential area for a retest, but we could go higher. The most logical local level for a retest is going to be up here. This is the last time we saw support 1, 2, 3 times. So I would anticipate we could come up there, and that almost lines up with that moving average. So that's why I don't want to jump in, even if the hourly looks like super juicy, unless I'm getting more alignment, like at the 4-hour and the 1-hour look good, then okay, we can enter before the daily closes. But right now we're in an uptrend on the 1-hour. So looks like I got this little trend line here. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so we come to the conclusion that there's not a trade here right now. Weekly. Okay, so on GBP USD, start on the weekly. This looks basically the same as Euro USD, where we've come down strong and we've bounced a little bit, except we're already on a pretty strong bounce on this weekly. I guess this is the daily candle. Not anywhere I would make a trade. Promise I'm awake. Just not breathing deeply. 1 second. Yo, guys, we're gonna put together a ultra premium Discord, which is why I sent a message about traders. Only got one response by Alan. And this is Kian had the great idea to do like a daily wake up, guided breath work, maybe meditation, and then get rolling for the day, whether it's into charts or something else. So anyway, we're making this premium group basically. And I know I had the Discord before. I think Tiffany knows about it. Others that watch might have been a part of it and seen the ending of it. It was good. It just wasn't the right partnerships. Wasn't the right energy. I wasn't in alignment. So this new one we're going to create, it's going to be like probably $150 a month. You guys will all get definitely at least free access for some time. And then contributing also, this is going to be a great thing. But we're also going to have a free group. We're going to do a free one and a paid one. We want to make this the best just trading / wealth abundance mindset group in the world. And so I'm going to bring on some other team members. But initially, I would love to have people that are already in the squad, already in the frequency. So everyone in the signal, would be great. And yeah, we're thinking Discord. Discord's amazing. So what it'll take is moderating. If you ever, anyone that's experienced Discord before, you know what moderators are. If not, it's just being active. We need people who are active and engaging. And so, of course, this is going to be, you know, initially it's giving your time and just sharing, but practicing your charting. And, you know, in time, of course, this will be a financial opportunity. And I don't think that much time. So we're just looking for the best of the best. I'm going to go make partnerships with other traders as well, other conscious traders who have communities to bring people together. So, yeah, it's going to be monthly subscription based. And we'll provide different courses, and anyone in that group will get discounts to like the full, you know, things like I'm going to have a subconscious programming thing. I'm going to have we'll have events, you know, we'll offer hypnotherapy as well. So some of you will already get the hypnotherapy with the mentorship and already have gotten yours, or we'll get it soon. But yeah, anyways, that's what we're doing, and I'm really excited about it. And I think it's really great. Anyways, I was talking about breathing. I'm not breathing deep because I was talking so much. So important to just do some breath work, and I don't want to call it breath work though. Just breathe deeply, you know, just breathe in the normal way. So yeah, I'm going to make it the greatest on earth. And it's just in time, like, you know, just being patient, making sure that it's really good. So we're going to launch it within a month. We want to plan it out so it's doing the best thing. But yeah, meditation, breath work in a week. Haven't done it. Yeah, I haven't done, well, okay. So I haven't done like a conscious breath work, but I like to just go through my day and just notice, okay, you know, I'm walking around, I'm talking, thinking, going on a walk. I'll do breath work while I'm doing that, you know, just start or do the in 3. My nose is a little stuffed right now, but circle breathing, of course. Yeah, Wim Hof is, it's good to do, like, to consciously, you know, sit down and breathe. I like to get on all fours as well and pump my belly in and out really fast. Yeah, breathing, just oxygenating, getting that flow, you know, eliminating the carbon dioxide is powerful. So, and it makes you more focused, makes you more awake, makes you more excited. Do breath work. And then if you guys haven't seen in the course yet, the new video, the consciousness expansion video, or, you know, it's also talked about in Cosmic Currency, do breath work and then do the practice where you squeeze your hand, you put your hands together and you flex every muscle in your body at the same time for a minute. And then you breathe, you just talk for 7 minutes. You tell yourself, I'm awake, I'm awake, I'm awake. And imagine your, you know, light coming into your head. Watch the video, consciousness expansion, it's in fundamentals of the course. It's also, I shared it in the group, but it's probably easier to find it in the course. And doing that after breath work, it's great. It's great. So anyway, okay, let's move on. Let's see what gold's doing. Gold tanked. I drew this gold trade last week. Did I make it? No, I did not. Looks like we're potentially coming in for a retest. But also, you know, gold retest, sometimes it's a reversal. So we'll wait and watch. Fundamentally, it should be popping off. But whatever. Silver is going to look the same. I don't want to sell. I wouldn't sell unless it's a beautiful retest, because this daily action it's slowing down to the downside. Silver here could be as well. Silver and gold just tend to follow each other. So yeah, they don't really go apart. You can see it's a little different, but really not much. Moving on. I'm excited to look at Bitcoin. We're almost there. Moving on, GBP odd. Okay, this is a trade that I shared in the group, potential trade. I didn't execute this one. Euro USD sell. I'll go back to it really quick. Yeah, that's what I was saying. I want to wait for confirmation on this. So with this, yes, it looks like a beautiful retest, but 4 hour closes in 3 minutes. 4 hours good. I would wait till the hourly looks like a sell, because we're in this uptrend and it looks like we're bouncing. So as soon as you get confirmation on the hourly that we're moving down below the moving average, we're starting to go down, that's when I would get it. So yeah, let's share that with the group too, huh? Also what? Also root. What does that even mean? Also lining. What the heck? Oh, no wonder. Dude, English is crazy, bro. You just gotta see how I was spelling lining. Lining up is what I was saying. And I just spelled it Lign because the word align is Align. Ali, yeah, GN. Oh, dude, English is stupid. Oh, my brain, bro. It's crazy. Spanish is dope. Learning Spanish, going back and forth sometimes is, but even then, it's still a Latin language, and we need to speak Latin. Yup. Just post for him. Gotta share the gas with the family, you know what I'm saying? Can't hog it. Puff puff pass. This is the 4-hour. Okay. Let's go back to GBP odd. No, we skipped it. No, that's where we were at. GBP odd, yeah, it's bouncing. Glad I didn't make the trade. This sideways, this is like sideways hell. This is the worst. Going for months now, since March, sideways. So something will happen eventually. Just switch it up. GBP CAD looked like a good sell potentially. It looks like it still could be. I drew this trade, I didn't make it. I was just trying to show a point. Hey, this is a bad risk to reward ratio. But yeah, it looks like it could be lining up. I don't know. We'll see. Kind of rejecting in the top. Close outside the bottom here. Didn't right here. Close outside the top here, but we have it here. So let's see. What's the weekly say? Weekly slowing down, close outside of the bottom Bollinger Band here, couldn't over here. Price action's bearish, but yeah, it's not a place I would buy. Not a place I would sell either. All right. CAD JPY on the weekly looks like it's full sending. Oh, wow. This looks great. This looks like it's breaking out. So let's get a better line here because this totally, let's look at, so I'm going to go out to the monthly in this case. We're breaking the highs. Ooh, wee. Ooh, wee, Rick. All right. I see that level there. Go on the weekly to make it more clear. I mean, it's not the best level. Boom, I see another one here though, after zooming out to the weekly. Bing. And bing. All right. Should we draw one lower just in case? Yeah, let's go like right there. Right there. Okay. Looking good. See if it's a good R&R. I would say right there. Bing. Yeah, it's not a good trade. Nope. Not a good trade. Bail. Okay, you could go to the 4-hour though, and you could force it in a way. Entry down here. Yeah, I mean, the 4-hour looks good. You know? Yeah, you could totally do that. That's what I would do. Am I gonna make this trade? No. No, but you guys could, and it wouldn't be a bad trade. Analyze your own chart. I think it will actually happen. I think it will actually go up. For me, it's just that on the daily, it's not a good risk to reward, and I don't want to just do it on the 4 hour. For me, it's just my trading style. But if you did like 1 hour, if you're charting the 1 hour, the 4 hour, by all means, that's a good trade. Dang, all right, I gotta quit posting now because people can be like, "Yo, all these 50 messages on Signal. Why am I don't even want to open it." Oh, Euro odd looks like it's ready to go down. Maybe. Hold up. Could go up. Nah, baby. Oh, that's a good sell. What about the monthly even? Oh, ooh wee. This is a good one. Yeah, this is my mouth's watering. 4 hours says wait. Okay, let me show you this price action on the 4 hour. Look at all this. Close outside of the bottom band, close outside of the bottom band, test the top, couldn't do it. Test the top, couldn't do it. Close outside of the bottom band here, test the top, couldn't do it. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Wicks, lower, 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 right? So the bounce is getting worse every time. Now we're under the moving average. Now, I will say, because we got an engulfing candle and we do have these top wicks after a little downward movement, I'm gonna be honest, that right there is gonna make me wait on this trade. But the daily looks so good. And the weekly, oh my gosh, we came down, closed outside, and look at our attempt at bouncing. And we just haven't been able to bounce. Strong resistance here. And then you go out to the weekly. Oh my gosh, we just closed. We overtook in this one candle all this upward movement here. Plus, we've retested the moving average, and the bands are kind of tight. So looks like it could go down. And then lastly, if you go on the monthly, we're in progress, bro. We came up, we retested this yellow line, which was support here, and we're already moving down. You know, obviously we got 11 days left in this monthly, but we can see what the progress we've made so far. Make money tomorrow. It might be a little stop hunt on the downside, but then we'll go bullish. Give me bearish. Yeah, exactly. You know, like I would wait for a beautiful, beautiful, perfect entry on the 4 hour, but 1 hour is kind of looking good already. And your odd is potentially the best trade I see right now. Everyone share your. Let's see if we get anyone to share. If you guys shared, that'd be amazing. I'm not going to post a chart on this one, but I am going to give myself an alert. So I'm going to be on the computer. I'm recording videos today. Ooh, guys, I'm going to start cracking on the subconscious programming course. It's going to be a whole thing. Okay, let's just skip to Bitcoin. Well, no, let's look at oil. Is oil bottomed? Well, short time. It's a strong support level, but kind of broke. So I think oil will continue down. There's a strong bounce on the weekly, though. Kind of not super strong, but we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Oil's a no trade zone for me. Bitcoin, it could be at the bottom, to be honest, guys. Yeah. Let's see what we do. I bought some Bitcoin. Monthly is beautiful retest of that bottom Bollinger Band. But you know, we've been going down strong. So like it also could just be relief, just relief bounce. So what I would say is definitely get some crypto right now, for sure. Don't go all in, but you know, 15, 20% of what you got ready for crypto, put it in. Yeah, if it's not already. If you don't have that, well, then wait. Go sell some things. Seriously. It's good to dollar cost average. And knowing full well that we could end up going lower, but yeah, we could start sending it back up to like 30K. Because for me, that's kind of the resistance level right now is 30K, around there between 28 and 30. So we gonna see, lads and lassies. Ethereum, of course, looking the same. Ethereum looks more bullish, like it's bouncing stronger, but same thing. We got resistance kind of in the same area, but with Ethereum, it's about 1600. Saber, wow. This is an opportunity of a lifetime, Familia. I believe Saber will go up to $1 again one day. I believe it. It could be a few years. Up to $1, and it's at 0.0029 cents. If it goes to $1, if you buy $1 worth right now, you buy $1 worth, I'm telling you that it will probably be worth $344 in a couple of years, maybe a few years at most. That's 344x your money, right? Did I say that right? Yeah, I did. 344x. Yep, I believe it. Solana at $41, that's good. I want to see Solana at like 250. When Solana gets like 250, 300, that's when Saber will be around $1 again. So LKO, let's check it. LKO is a crypto. Come on. I don't know what's going on. LKO, I didn't click on Polygon. Okay, CoinGecko's having trouble. So let's go to Coin Market Cap. LKO shares. Oh, it's gas. Oh. I'm like looking up crypto. Lake's Blue Energy. It's an Australian stock, so I'm gonna assume yes. This chart's gross. Monthly. Yeah, I mean that's down real low. But I mean it's been down this low since 2015. So if they're still alive as a company, then I mean, yeah, it'd be a good buy, but I think you'll do better putting it into crypto, because this has been in a downtrend since 2004. We haven't recovered. So could it go up? Yeah, I don't know. Are they still alive? Yeah, I mean, it could be some money to just like set it and like literally forget about it and just know that it could be a long time. You know, it could be another 10 years before you make money. Maybe 5 or something. Oh, about to be funded by the government. Oh, well then there you go. Yeah, why not buy some? Chart wise, yeah, like it's as low as it can go. So it hasn't ever been lower than this. 0.001 cents. So LKO gas company. Yeah, Lakes Blue Energy. Send it, bro. I wouldn't put a lot in personally just because, yeah, could take a while. It just like depends. Like if the government if they're funding them in what way? If they're bailing them out, then yeah, you got a long time. So about to start digging. Okay, yeah. I mean, it could be really good. It's been a while. So, oh yeah, that's Australian Stock Exchange. So wherever you buy Australian stocks, I don't know. Like we got Robinhood in the U.S. So I don't know. Yeah, wherever you can buy those Australian stocks, we can say. Five best online brokers for Australia: CMC Markets, IG, ComSec, Interactive Brokers, Westpac. Yeah, check them out. CMC looks to be the best overall, according to this blog, according to Blaine Reinkensmeyer. I don't know if I trust him. He looks like a narc, but might as well try it. Profits don't care about politics, so who cares if he's a narc? Okay. Yeah, crypto's good. Feeling good. Let's see. What do I want to share? Yeah, I would love to see if you guys that are live, the couple of you that are live now, and then those of you that watch the recording later. The group is something really important to me, and we really need the best people and the best trading, and just consistency. It's going to be more than just trading. As always, we're gonna have a consciousness aspect, building mental strength, just business mindset as well, conscious business mindset. Yeah, and of course trading, lots of trading. So we're gonna do it all, and want this to be just making just the best of the best, just for real, providing the best place for all the people. There's so many people out there that need something great, that are into trading, into everything we're into, expanding their consciousness, going through spiritual awakening and all that, but they don't have the best support system. So if we can do it all and teach people how to make money, why not? But yeah, that community is going to be amazing. So how can you step up right now? What can we do? Start posting charts. I'm going to launch the free Discord group. The main thing is it's going to be like being active. You show that you're active, like that's great. Like to see the charts and trading. So yeah, it's good. And when we share, like it makes us better, every time. So cool. Okay, fam. Well, I think this is good. We're flowing. We found some trades. Found some potential trades. And I'm gonna let the one British pound Japanese yen trade ride. I got in that on Friday. I'm up $2,400. Hey, Mia. We'll see how it rolls. I'm gonna watch, maybe take profit soon. So anyway, okay, guys, sending all the love. Have a good day. Bye.